Welcome everybody to this new video to Express. Today let's talk a little bit more about the Zendesk for customer services. So welcome to the future of the customer services, because if you're starting a new job into 2026, Zendesk looks a lot different than it used to do. So you aren't just answering emails anymore, you're managing unified conversions. So I'm going to be showing you how to focus. The unified agent workspace, for example, is like your home base. On the left are your views, and the 2026, these are often sorted by intent or sentimental that you can find directly inside here. So my intention, for example, when I click directly here into my intentions, like the name, verification of their account, is the status as active. So there's the entity, so there's the tone, and there's the language. So you can focus, for example, into positive, and you can administrate the configuration of that. You can look at the center whether the customer reached out via TikTok, via WhatsApp, via email, or the conversation looks like a modern chat thread. On the chat is your memory element, where you can see everything time the customer has contacted us, what they bought, and even the current satisfaction risk score. So to work with an agent copilot, for example, you don't have to waste an actual time. You have the reading the whole thread. You can check out the avatar of the name. You can see the actual persona. The can be helping you to focus into a really like a profile of the business. You can describe the business to help having more form about it. You can have the tone of the voice. Let's go for it large and make this short. And the language, for example, I'm going to be changing this into English. And there we go. I published my agent AI, and I go for published AI. There we go. So Copilot will suggest a response based on our knowledge base. You don't have to type it, just review it, tweak it if it needed, of course, and hit the actual element that says send. Now you can resolve with actions. In the 2026, you can focus directly into your agents of the AI. Let's say I go for AI agents here, and I go for create a new AI agent. You can tell the name of your agent, for example, let's say Maria, and you can change this for enthusiastic. Let's go for next, and you can try out your new AI agent. You can have now an advanced configuration, such as check out the persona, the language, and the where it has to be focused on. So check out here the sources of the external element of my element. You can see the message here. Here's the support element, and you can check out the behavior of this in the element. You can change, for example, I'm gonna go and add, let's say, a few emojis, and you can add options to speak with a person if you wanted to. There we go. You can have more instructions. Instructions can be helping you to make the process refunds, update shipping, addresses, book appointments, everything that you can, let's say, for example, train your AI to help you as much as you can possibly can. And if it's still, like the last result, if the AI cannot solve the problem, then it can be sent directly here into the ticket. But basically, think of it like a shield from the actual customer. AI can be doing this element without having to pressure that. So sometimes chat isn't enough. You can focus for the new into the native video and the screen sharing. If a customer is struggling with a technical issue, you can jump into the quick one-on-one video chat without sending a Zoom link. So this is recorded and saved directory to the actual ticket, which I think is going to be really awesome. So I'm going to select here this element, productivity, enable this, and publish my AI. So right now we can measure success by resolution rate and the customer effort. If the AI did the work and you provided the human touch, that's an actual win, a total win. So I have linked a 2026 keyboard shortcut sheet into the description to help you move even faster. If you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you fellas so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all that's been said, I can all see you guys next time.